Hello, in this video I'm gonna perform a short fingerprint sensor speed test on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We can unlock our device even with the screen being disabled, but first I'm gonna do that through the lock screen. As you can see over here we have the sensor, and I have added my finger to the fingerprint sensor, and let's see how it works. So it unlocks actually after a short while. Let me actually try to simply tap on it. Okay, so it doesn't work. We need to hold for like half a second, I think. Sometimes maybe even less. And like I said, we don't even have to use the lock screen. We can also put our finger in the fingerprint sensor if we know where it is, even if the screen is off. So as you can see, the screen is off. I can place my finger and then it unlocks. I think it takes a little bit longer, maybe even not. Perhaps, yeah, I think the time to unlock is actually really similar, maybe slightly longer than in the lock screen, although I'm not really so sure. But as you can see, it unlocks pretty fast. I don't think it takes that long to unlock with the fingerprint. I think it works pretty well. I added my finger and so far I had no issues with unlocking my device. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!